Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson Animals, Food and Shelter. Today we are going to revise the lesson Animals. 1. Animals depend on plants and other animals for their food and nutrition. They are called the consumers. Animals depend on plants and other animals for their food and nutrition. They are called the consumers. Animals living in their natural environment are called the wild animals. Forest is the natural environment. Yes or no, kids? Our houses are man-made things, but forest is man-made thing? No, it is a nature made by a nature. It is a natural environment, and the animals, those animals live in that type of nature. They are called the wild animals. Animals, those are live in forest, they are called the wild animals. Lion and tigers live in jungles and are wild animals. Lion, tiger are the wild animals because they are live in natural home, natural environment. Okay, see now. Animals kept at home for company and affection are called the pet animals. Some animals are kept at home for company and affection. They are called the pet animals. Animals that work on field and farms are called the farm animals. Some animals are used in work at field and home for human use. They are called the farm animals. Herbivorous animals feed on grasses and plants only. Those eat only plants, they are called the herbivorous animals. Carnivorous animals feed on other animals. Those are eat only flesh of the other animals. That type of animals are called the carnivorous animals. Some animals are omnivorous. They feed on plants and animal alike. Omnivorous, they feed on plant and animals alike. Scavengers are animals that do not hunt but feed on the dead animals. Scavengers they do not hunt the animals. They feed whatever left after eating the other animals. Dead part of the hunted animal is called, that type of animals are called the scavengers. They do not hunt for themselves. They feed on the dead animals. Animals need shelter to protect them from bad weather. Animals need shelter to protect them from bad weather, hunting animals, etc. Nature has helped animals to survive by adapting their body to the surroundings or the environment in which they live. Nature help the animal to survive and adapt their body to the surrounding where they are living. Understood, no? Okay. Now we are going to solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. E dash dash is a doctor who treats animals. Who treat animals? That doctor is called the veterinary doctor. So right here, veterinary doctor. veterinary. Veterinary doctor is the who treat animals. veterinary. Okay. See next one. B. Carnivorous animals have sharp pointed teeth. That teeth are called canines. C-A-N-I-N-E-S. C. Two animals having a rough tongue are cat and tiger. These two animals have a rough tongue. Number 2, match the following. Cats right here, yes, and tigers right. Okay. Match the columns. Hyena. An animal that gnaw. Straw-like organ in mosquito. Animal eating both plant and animals. Camel. Match this one words with the column B. Okay. Look here. Mastication, omnivores, scavengers, squirrel and proboscis. Hyena is a mastication? No. Omnivores? No. Scavenger. Hyena is a scavenger because that feed on a dead animal. So you join hyena to scavengers. Second, an animal that gnaw. Mastication, omnivores, squirrel, yes. Animals that gnaw is a squirrel. Straw-like organ in mosquito called the proboscis. Correct. Straw-like organ in mosquitoes, they are called the proboscis. This type organ in butterfly for suck the juice from the flowers. Animals eating both plant and animals, they are called the omnivores. Now last remain camel. Camel is a mastication animal. Okay? Understood, kids? Hyena, scavenger, an animal that gnaw on squirrel. Straw-like organ in mosquitoes, proboscis. Animal eating both plants and animals, omnivorous animals. Camel, mastication. Now look here. Tick the correct statement and mark the cross statement for the incorrect. A. A buffalo is a carnivorous animal. Buffalo is a carnivorous animal? No. Wrong. Buffalo is a herbivorous animal. So, cross here. First one, cross. Mastication means eating good food. No. Mastication means chew that one food. Very good method. Mastication means chew the food properly. Not eating the good food. Chew the food good. Okay, so it is a wrong. A horse is a herbivorous animal. Yes, horse eat only grass, leaves of the plant. Butterfly sucks nectar from flowers with a proboscis. Yeah, butterfly suck the nectar from the flowers with a proboscis, and mosquito suck the blood from the animal body. Okay. Next one is answer the following question. Why do animals need food? Why do animals need food? When you read the lesson, that time only you get the answers. Otherwise, you not understand the question and answers both. So, you read the question, pause the video 2 minutes, find out the answer done in that lesson. In this lesson, back lesson is there, you find out the answer. Understood, no kids? And write down in your notebook. Why do animals need food? Turn this one page, kids. Read the lesson properly. Look here. All animals need air, food and water. Why? But why? To live, grow, work and keep good health. Animals need, here in the question given only food, but here air and water is there. But they all need air, water, food to live, grow, work and keep good health. Understood, no? This is your first answer. This time you try to find out all these 3 questions answer. Okay? B. Differentiate between carnivorous and omnivorous. Carnivorous. What is carnivorous? Animals, turn the page, kids. Look here. Animals hunt other animals for food and feed on their flesh. Carnivorous animals hunt other animals for food and feed for their flesh. Example, lion, cheetah, tiger, all more wild animals. And what is omnivorous? Turn the page. Look here. Animals that eat both plants and other animals are called the omnivorous. Example, bear, crow, monkey, rat, etc. Now, question C. What type of teeth do flesh-eating animals have and why? Flesh-eating animals have sharp pointed teeth. Why? Look here. Flesh-eating animals means carnivorous animals. Okay? Carnivorous animals have long sharp pointed teeth because to tear the flesh of their prey and then use their, see here, what type of teeth do flesh eating animals have and why? Now we got answer here. Flesh eating animals have sharp pointed teeth to tear the flesh of their prey and grinding teeth to chew the raw meat and bones. Understood, no, kids? Okay, next see. Which one question? Last one question. Name 4 ways of keeping animals clean. 4 ways keeping the animals clean. Look here, animals to stay clean and healthy. These are the way to keep the animals clean and healthy. They must be given a bath at least twice a week. Second one is regularly checking for insects like ticks, mites that may cause wound or infection. Third is proper and adequate food and clean drinking water. They should have, okay, clean surroundings and shelter free from dung and urine, etc. If it is the place is dirty, if the animal's place where they are where they living, that should be clean and neat. Understood? If the shelter is dirty, the animals get diseases. Understood, no? So clean surrounding and shelters of the animals free from dung and urine. Fourth one is proper and regular medical checkups. We should do the proper and regular medical checkup to the animals with a veterinary doctor and proper vaccines. These are the what, kids? These are the 4 ways. These are the 4 ways keeping animals clean and healthy. Understood, no? Now see the value based question. While walking on a roadside, you and your friends find a injured dog with a broken leg. While you and your friend walking on a roadside, you saw a dog with a broken leg. You noticed that the dog has been hit by a car. You noticed the dog has been hit by a car. That time, will you walk away? That time, will you walk away or try and help the dog? What will you do? Will you walk away or try and help the dog? How will you do so? That time, what will you do? Let me know, kids. Okay, see here. When we saw that type of incidents, we try and help. We should try and help that one person. It may be person or dog. It is given here dog. That time we should try and help the dog. How will you do so? That time we help that one dog. How will you do so? We take that one dog and go to the hospital. This animal's doctor. Animal's doctor is called as a veterinary doctor. We go to a hospital and treat that one by a veterinary doctors. Understood, no, kids? Veterinary doctor, those are treat the animals. We take that one dog with the help of whose help will you take? With the help of your friend, and go to hospital and give it treatment. Understood, no? Now see here, project is there one. Cut, paste and label at least 6 pictures, each of pet, farm and wild animals in your scrapbook. It is the project for you. Cut, paste and label at least 6 pictures of each. Pet animal 6, farm animal 6 and wild animals 6 in your scrapbook. Also find out more about their food habits, types of teeth and where they live. Also write about its food habits, types of teeth and where they live. Understood, no, kids? Thank you for watching the video and you read the lesson. Okay, solve this one, write this one exercise in your textbook first. After that, copy in your notebook.